The cactus pictured here is a species of Mammillaria, also known as the pincushion cactus. This is a large genus and has over 200 species and cultivars, and is probably the most popular cactus genus in cultivation. Most Mammillaria will be smallish and rounded or globe-shaped, although some will be more cylindrical or columnar. They can occur singly, or they may grow in clusters like the previous image. There will be some variation in the spines. Some may be stiff and long, some may be shorter, or some may be hair-like. The species of Mammillaria pictured here, Mammillaria tetransistra, is often referred to as the fishhook cactus because of the dark, hooked central spines. Some will even have wool in the axils between the tubercles, which are small, rounded projections on the stems, which is what this genus has instead of ribs. At the top of the tubercle is where you'll find the areoles and the spines. Even though the spine morphology will vary among the species, one thing that will be pretty consistent is that the tubercles are arranged in a spiral pattern. And this spiral pattern is visible from the sides, as I've illustrated there. But it's also visible from the top as well. As we go through the rest of this photo story, try to look for the spiral arrangement of the tubercles in each photo. Here's a columnar species. Even though the form of this one is a little different, you can still see the spiral arrangement of the tubercles when you see them from the sides. And then from the top as well. Many species will have small, funnel-shaped flowers less than a ½ inch in diameter, and these form at the base of the areoles. The flowers can range in color from white, green, yellow, pink, to red. And they'll often appear in a ring around the top of the stem, creating a halo. You may see some cristae cultivars, which are very interesting. I remember growing this particular cultivar as a kid and thinking it was so cool because it looked like a brain. I still think it looks cool because it looks like a brain. Mammillaria needs full sun with some afternoon shade in the summer if you're growing outdoors, or bright direct light if you're growing indoors using a grow light. Grow them in a coarse, well-draining cactus mix with some grit added for extra drainage. However, Mammillaria are pretty easy to grow, which is partly why they're so popular, and they do tolerate a fair amount of neglect and a wide range of conditions when grown as a houseplant. To encourage flowering, keep them in a cool place in winter and stop watering, and then in spring start watering again and increase the temperature. And this concludes our discussion of the genus Mammillaria, or the pincushion cactus.